good time?
Yeah. You got a steelhead on.
He's getting tired. Getting more and more tired. Give him some more right
Don't loosen the jig up.
now. No, it's still tight. He's pulling that hard. He's still tight. I just don't want to give him like too little lines. He might pull and snap.
How much oomph are you giving him?
Not a lot, but he's got decent fight.
Is the drag too loose?
No, don't worry about it. It's fine. Which way is he going? Yeah, there we go. Trying to get a rhythm here. He ain't giving up.
Dude, I wish I would have brought my net. Well, these are fresh fish if you think about it. They haven't been in the creeks for long.
No. They're just barely learning how to survive. I just don't want them burrowing deep under something. Because then we got a different problem. We got a fish in a log. And they usually take it and suck it down, and now your lure or whatever's stuck in a log, good luck getting that sucker out. So I got it.
Okay. I'm just seeing where he's at. He's on the bottom.
Yes, he is.
Oh, dude, he's taking that
I know
shit.
he's taking it. That's why I'm trying to like.
All right.
Yeah. Like,
Maybe.
He's pulling. Oh, he's pulling. I just try not to fight him too hard because I don't want him to snap the line. That's all. He's tired now. He can feel
Good
it,
for you, dude. Oh my God. Got one in the bag. Angel's gonna be so fucking happy. Uncle Bob's gonna be spitting out blood.
He's going still. Oh man. I can feel him. He's a big one. He's a good one. It's coming up, y'all. He's trying.
No, there he goes. He's not even done. He's fresh. He's fresh. You can tell.
Definitely fresh. It's getting to nighttime. That's why it's so fucking. He's probably saving his energy for the night. That's why he's finally cleaning up. Ooh, he's still going, man.
Is that my bobber across the creek?
I bet you it is.
My fucking God, that's my
No,
bobber.
no.
Is that my?
No.
Oh no, that's his float. Okay.
Yeah,
So the fish is still running around with my fucking bobber. Damn it.
And my jig.
Well, that's kind of not my fault. That's kind of not my fault.
Yeah,
You can't.
because I haven't lost mine.
No, it's the rod.
I haven't lost mine.
It's the rod. You can't blame the
He's
person.
still going, man. I'm not even joking. Like I can. He is still. You did it, man. I can see him. He's coming. Look at that. Oh, he tired himself out.
He's wrapped around. Move back.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to tell you.
That way he loosens himself up. There he goes.
It's like a get tired.
Take your time. Take your time. We're gonna bring this bitch in. Yeah. Oh man, finally. Oh no, he's a good size. That's probably 26. Vote like a boss, sting like a bee.
What do you think it is? 26?
26, 27. Has to be. That size. At least it's average, you know. It's not small. And it looks fresh. Yeah, that's really fresh.
We got no scars on him, that's for sure.
No, not at all. That's fresh. That's silver. Yeah, that's why it fought you so long. And that's why I lost mine, because mine was fresh too. I wish I brought my net.
My lucky jig right now, huh?
Going on for 5 minutes and 42 seconds.
Longer than that.
No, it says it on my phone.
Well, at least on your phone, yeah. You gotta fight for another, like, 1 or 2, man. He's
This is going on my YouTube channel. I'll send this video to your mom and dad too. Yeah. Smile for the camera.
Oh, sorry, with the fish.
I'll get mine and then we'll go. We'll get one more. We can do it. Want to bring it home?
Oh yeah. Well, I need to. Here, let me loosen it up a little.
My camera, dude. Look at that.
That's a nice boy right there.
Hang on, let me slim down. There we go.
He's a fighter. All right.
Unhook that bitch and put him over there. We'll get one more. Hopefully it's female. What a day, man. We lost one chaser spoon, and now we landed one. Fucking phenomenous day.